Welcome to another episode of Bluff City Grub. Today we're cooking smash burgers on the Blackstone griddle.
We'll be giving you our Bluff City tips to make the best smash burger we know how to make. We're going to hit it with a little bacon, a little cheese, a little onions, flatten that burger out thin, nice quick cook, sear it up, serve it to the ladies. Hit it, Greg. We're cooking on the Blackstone today.
Blackstone griddle.
Now we're cooking on the Blackstone. We done bought the Blackstone kit with the press and the spatula.
Blackstone smash burger press.
Patty. Blackstone patty. We're going to make some patties and then press the patty down, Greg. One of the advantages of a smash burger patty is it's going to cook real fast, have a lot of char on the outside, and give it great flavor.
Hey, let's be honest, when you're cooking dinner, convenience is everything. Smash burgers, they cook really quick. All the ingredients cook quick. You're cooking it on a Blackstone, so you can fire it up really quick. I mean, quick is the way to go. Blackstone patty.
Smash burger patty.
Smash burger patties. We doing patty? You want to play patty cake?
We're going to,
All right, we got our Blackstone hot. What we're going to do first is we're going to get a little bacon going. Just going to get our Blackstone oiled up. Flat top. Go ahead and get some bacon nice and crispy. I don't think anybody needs any kind of direction on how to cook bacon, but we did get the thin bacon because these are smash burgers. We want these to cook quick, so we want that bacon done really quick as well. All right, so we got all the bacon off. We want to make sure you clean your grill before we get the smash burgers going. All right, we're gonna make a garlic aioli for smash burgers. We got this garlic press here. What we're gonna do is just put some garlic cloves in here and press this into our lemon juice. Don't worry, we're gonna have this recipe in the description below. But we're gonna put it in a little bit of lemon juice and let it sit for about 10 minutes so the garlic can soak up all the lemon juice. The lemon juice soaks up all that flavor. All right, so our garlic is set in the lemon juice for about 10 minutes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little strainer. We're gonna pour off the garlic over the mayo. That lemon juice is just gonna kind of seep down in there. It's gonna give it really good flavor. Just kind of smash the garlic a little bit, get all the juice out of it. But we don't want our aioli chunky. We just want the flavor of that garlic in there. All right, we're gonna take a little bit of Dijon mustard. It's gonna make it Bluff City style. It's just a teaspoon of our Bluff City sweet heat. It's be in the recipe below. And salt to taste. So we have a nice garlic chili aioli. All right, so we got our Blackstone. It's piping hot here. We're going to be doing some paper thin smash burgers today, Bluff City style. We're going to go ahead and get our Blackstone nice and oiled up here. Take your spatula and kind of spread some of your oil out. Now we've already pre-rolled up our burgers. We're going to smash them down paper thin. Now as soon as you put these on here, you want to take a little bit of parchment paper and your press, and you want to make sure they're smashed down within the first 30 seconds. You want to do this within the first 30 seconds because that locks in those juices and keeps it from cooking too much.
Greg, we're going to get some layers of flavor here.
Oh, absolutely. While these burgers are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a little house seasoning. We got salt, pepper, and garlic here. Real simple, real easy. But you want to hit it while it cooks on the flat top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some of these paper thin onions. We're going to add this on top of the burger while it's cooking. Right there on top. And we slice these as thin as we can get them. Get pressed in there. Alright, so we're about a minute and a half in on these burgers, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and flip them. Nice little toss and put the onions right there on the bottom, just like that. That's what you want right there. Nice caramelization. Browning on top. That's where all the flavor is right there. Beautiful. Alright, so we're going to take one of these Provolones and one of these like Colby's. We're going to put it right there on top of the burger. But I'm going to show you a little trick here what we're going to do with the smash burgers. Kind of helps it stick to each other. Alright, so we got our cheese on there. If you got a little bit of water in a squirt bottle, you want to hit it with a little bit of water. That steam helps the cheese melt. Alright, so after the cheese has been melted, scoop one of these guys and put it right there on top. And that cheese is going to act like glue for the bottom. All up together. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
The other one. Right there on top. A little bit of butter on our Blackstone. Toast your buns real quick. Alright, so we got two different types of buns. We're going to get them toasted real quick. Shouldn't take more than 2 minutes to toast the bread. But we have some pretzel buns here. We're going to try those out with the burgers. And then we're also going to toast up some classic artisan buns here. So we our smash burgers and buns are toasted. We're going to go ahead and start building the burger. Like I said, we got two different buns. Classic artisan and the pretzel. We'll start out with a little bit of our sauce. A couple swirls there on each side of the bun. Really put a little bit of that sweet heat in there. That's what makes this Bluff City style. Layers of flavor, no doubt. Right there on the bottom side of the burger. A little bit of bacon. I like to break mine in half and just kind of crisscross it right there on top. Let's bacon it up. Baconator smash burger. How about that? Right there on the top.